house that I've been working on for a while now. Actually, the person that owns this house is a long-standing customer of mine, and he's hired me before, but anyway, he used to rent this out as a residence, but now he's talking about getting it ready as like an Airbnb. So we've done some work, and I recently painted the porch there, the woodwork on that, all that, so that's real cute. And I'm going to take you inside and let you see what's going on in there too. But just wanted to show you this, the area here around a little bit. It's all wooded back through there. Well, this is in Stone Mountain now. This house actually is going to be really ready for not residential, but as like an Airbnb type of a thing, vacation property. And we have Super Bowl, that's what I'm driving. We have Super Bowl coming up here soon, so if you're coming to Atlanta for Super Bowl, you can see this is off the street. Let me know and I will connect you with the owner of the house. So let's go on inside. Great. Sorry about that, guys. Nice, huh? Anyway, before I go in, I wanted to show you the back here. It's this cute little stone path, and it's fenced in. And it has this nice little deck back here, so I wanted you to see that before I went in the house. Okay, so the way he has it set up, you come in this house through the back door, and there's a little eating area here, and this is a new floor. If you look back through some of my old photos, really old, because he was one of my first clients, well, I can show you. If you see that wood looking floor, that's what it used to be. So we put this in for him, and this looks so much better. Look how shiny it is. And then here's the kitchen. He's got some appliances here. There's a dishwasher and a stove, a full-size stove, but he's got some minor appliances and some eating utensils. Let me shut this door. There we go. And there is also a full-size refrigerator. And then around here is the living area. He's got a love seat, well, two love seats, a beige one and this blue one over here, and a chair and a TV. I haven't used the TV, but I believe he's got basic cable or something like that here. And then in this room for now, there's just one bed and a small dresser. There's ceiling fans in these rooms too. He's going to get another bed over here in this corner. He just hasn't gotten it yet, but he's going to. And there's a closet there. It has an ironing board and some towels and things. And you go through that room to this little hallway, and here's the bathroom. It's just a basic small bathroom. And then back here in this room, let me turn the light on because it's starting to get dark. Sorry. Here we go. So there's two beds back here. That light isn't really doing much. And another small dresser. But so as of right now, it looks like he could sleep 6 people. So you know, if you and your friends get together and you want to come to Atlanta for Super Bowl, or maybe to see Stone Mountain or whatever else you like to do in Atlanta, let me know, and I can connect you with the owner of this house. Or I know he has houses other places, but I don't know exactly where. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like the video. Subscribe if you want to see more videos. Love hearing from you. Time for me to go. Bye-bye.